Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Let's get started. At first, open Facebook app on your device. Now click on three-dot line. Now scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Click on Personal Details. Now click on Profiles. Now select the profiles. Now click on Name. Now you can change your profile name. Now click on Review Change. Remember, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Now click on Save Change. Name updated successfully. By this process, you can easily change your name on Facebook. Thanks for watching.